In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a passkey to Bitwarden. So the first thing you want to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to the left-hand side and then you want to extend these settings and you want to click on security. Then you want to go to the first tab, which is the master password, scroll down to the bottom and then where it says login with passkey, for me it's currently turned off. I can click on turn on over here and then you will have to put in your master password first and then click on continue. And then after that, it's going to basically pop up the option to create a passkey. So I'm just going to click on create. And then you have to enter in your PIN over here for your passkeys. Click on next. And then as you can see here, my passkey has been saved. And for example, here it says passkey successfully created. And then you can name your passkey to help you identify it. I'm just going to name it passkey1 over here. And then here you can also use it for vault encryption if you wanna. I'm going to turn this on and then click on turn on. And just like that, you will have to verify your PIN again. Click on next. And as you can see, I've successfully basically turned on passkey and I can now go ahead and add a new passkey if I want to down here by clicking new passkey. Again, I will have to confirm my master password, continue, and then I can go ahead and again create a new one. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.